Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. We are going to see the next price targets and we are going into a very huge breakout to the downside or to the upside, most likely to the downside. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You're going to take easy profits. Trust me on that. In every market, even on sideways price action. Do not let your money go wasted. Let's go right now to see the BTC USDT chart on the 4-hour frame. Right now you can see that we are approaching a squeeze point, right? What do we call a squeeze point? Whenever we have lower lows, lower highs, actually higher lows and lower highs, we are forming a triangle. Usually after a downtrend right here, this triangle is bearish. So what is going to happen? Most likely it is for Bitcoin to go down all the way, maybe to retest the 18.4K. Now, what is the case with these triangles? It tells you that we are going probably to go down, but it doesn't tell you how much are we going down. Most people are using this method right here from the top of the triangle to the top bottom. Okay, and then they take this and they put it right here, but this is not always the case. What it happens and what it can happen, for example, is that we correct further down right here, finding buying pressure and then going up, right? So the most important support level for us, for now, and for you, for everyone, is 18.4 to 18.5K. Apart from that though, for BTC USDT chart right here, we are going to go sideways, a little bit closing in, maybe going into this triangle and going sideways until 11 to 12 July, maybe a little bit sooner, okay, but until 12 July, we should be knowing what are we going to do. We should be knowing, for example, if we are going down or up until the 11 to 12 July. So not many days left. Do not worry for that. The sideways price action is going to be over. However, always remember that it is not always that we go down, right? It should be the case that we could go up. For example, right here, we start from 18.5K, we are going up, eventually having a burst out. And of course, you can see that the sideways price movement right here, the sideways price action in this triangle could be going to the 18.4 to 18.5, and then we have a buying pressure, or we could do the opposite, have a fake out and then go down, right? But it's obvious to me that this is a bearish pennant. Sometimes this triangle plays as a symmetrical triangle or a nice regular triangle that it is neutral, right? We could be going up, we could be going down. However, right now, I would suggest you to wait. As long as we're going inside this triangle, even the scalping is very risky. Okay, so I would say wait a little bit. It is just few days until you decide whether you short out or you go long. For me personally, I've told you what I think about it. I think that we are going to retest the 18.5K and maybe go even lower. That's right, we could be going down to probably, let's say, the 16.7K or so. Alright, so therefore you need to be careful. Bitcoin is not looking strong despite the fake out that we had right here. We had a red candlestick. Maybe today we go further down and have more correction. We will see about that. But for the time being, 18.4 to 18.5K will be our next major support level to hold and to see if we can hold it up. And of course, we are going to test maybe even the 16.7K. Apart from that, though, I do not want to think that possibly Bitcoin will be for surely go to 16.7. It might not be the case. It might be the case that we stop at the 18.4 or we go to the 17.6, form a double bottom and then we go up, right? We have seen some things like that. As soon as we are approaching the bottom and as soon as we are having the weekly frame, the RSI into an oversold, crazy things could be happening. Trust me on that. As long as we are here, crazy things could suddenly happen in the crypto market and we could start, for example, getting crazily bullish. Most probably scenario to correct, but because I'm into the crypto market for many years right now, I'm just telling you as long as you're approaching the bottom, no one is sure for anything. And the predictions are getting less and less and are having less win ratio. That's why you should take it step by step. All right? So thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription as well, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.